so much for joining in on this little video, which is also a chit chat video and a quick tour of my little embroidery room. And today's message for my chit chat video is give God a praise for where you are right now in your life. Okay. And so the reason why I thought to make this video is because when I came downstairs to turn on all the lights, and it's about maybe 7:30 in the morning, a little bit before, you may also hear the school buses coming by to pick up the kids too in the area. And so I got to thinking, oh my goodness, Kandia, this room is so little, but it's so cute. And I thought about what I used to have this time last year. This time last year, I was living in the Poconos. I was living in my big home, and I had a 1,200 square foot studio. And now I have a studio that has literally been crunched into a dining room, but I have made it work. This is a multi-purpose room that serves as my embroidery room. This is my 10 needle machine. It has most of my stuff that I need to make baby ensembles or get it started. As you can see, I have loads of teddy bears that have been stored here, and I have gotten very creative on how I have stored my teddy bears. It also have things that I use as fill-in items for my baby ensembles, as well as a sample there as well. And then in this cupboard here, I have blankets that are store-bought blankets. Just in case somebody calls me, have a personalized order really quickly, I can just pull one of those out and embroider it. Here the area where I store orders that I'll be working on. And it's not like it used to be. Under here is underneath my embroidery machine. Not sure why $1 is there, but it is. And on the side there, I just have some things where I store it. And so on the other side of the room, I have my swing away heat press. It's a 12 by 15 swing away heat press. This works perfectly for onesies. And then on the side here, I have an iron and all the attachments just in case I want to make mugs and stuff. And this where I have my little filing system where I keep my mail and my bills and stuff. Then here I have more additional teddy bears. Downstairs in the basement, I have bins of teddy bears. Bins. I said bins in the basement, not in my studio, because I don't like bins. And then here I have this old cupboard. I've had this cupboard for about 15 years. And I refuse to get rid of it. Here's where I have my towels and my pot holders and oven mittens for my personalized baking sets, the things that I need. And then on top here, I have additional items. And then over here, I have these little cubes with fabric for appliques and baby ensembles that I'm going to make. Then here is my other embroidery machine, my 6 needle embroidery machine with my hoops very close by for me to grab. Here is a wine rack that I got from the Salvation Army. I don't think I paid more than $5 for it, but it serves as just a little organizer for my vinyl. And then this desk. This desk was gifted to me by my son and my daughter-in-law. They were going to toss it, and I just was like, I'll take it. And it works so fine. I have one of my Cricut makers. Now, I don't have this area as my t-shirt business. My t-shirt business and my heat press business is upstairs in another room. I do have 2 bedrooms. I don't use the other bedroom as a guest bedroom or anything like that. It is a full operations room. Maybe I'll do a tour of that as well. But I really had to get creative in how I utilize the space here. And I'm very pleased. Now, in my old home, I had a space for everything because it was just a nice big space. But I got to tell you, I'm just very grateful. I'm very grateful for this space. I am very pleased. I'm very grateful for the place that I am in and the state of mind that I am in right now. Just 2 months ago, 3 months ago, I was in a completely different state of mind that I am in now. And this room was in a completely different state as well. At one point, I actually had my embroidery machines and a heat press and a sewing machine, on the other side of this area, which is the consultation room. I don't use this as a consultation room. It didn't work out the way I wanted to because I don't really feel comfortable having strangers come by. And so now that I have that basket building room in the back, it just works out well. I can have my customers just come and pick up their order. All they have to do is knock on the door in the back, and I can go in and give it to them. And it's just been working out so well thus far. But once again, I'm just grateful for the path that God has put me on, back on. I don't know if I fell off his path, but I gotta tell you that it just feels good to be in this state of mind. And no, it is not what I used to have. No, it is not where I used to be, but I am grateful and I feel so blessed to be here. And I just want to just give him a praise for it, and just to tell you or remind you, just give him a praise. You might not be where you want, your business might not be growing as fast as you want it to be, but you know what? Just enjoy the process, respect the process, and just try not to get so caught up on what you don't have, and be grateful for what you do have. And so this space, once again, may not be what I used to have, but guess what? This space is mine. Yes, it is literally a quarter of what I am used to, but I have made this space work very well. I am able to blog, edit my videos, run my business, run my embroidery business, run my heat press business from it, and I'm just super grateful. That's all I have for you today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And you can always find me on Kandia@Haynesworth.com, on Facebook, Kandia Haynesworth on Instagram, and in the group Embroidery Boss on Facebook, as well as the group Dollar Tree Moneymakers on Facebook. And visit my website at Kandia@Haynesworth.com. And until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.